I think that's one of those tree trimmer things. It is. That's a flea marketable item right there. And these are those stakes you use to line your driveway when it snows. I don't really need any of those, and they're plastic. Same thing with that plastic weed trimmer. But we'll take the tree trimmer. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for riding along. Sun's up. You can see now, a little bit of rain. That's okay though. Oh, it's some kind of appliance down in there, but I'm not gonna dig it out. Move all this stuff. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, there we go. This big old pan and a cell phone, old Verizon cell phone. And I saw the lid. All right. One of those enameled pans. Sorry, try not to wake everybody up. Little grate. Anything else metal in here? Yeah, put that. Okay, that. Nice. I can use that. Get a little tire iron. I probably don't want this, but out of curiosity, I wanted to see what it was. What is it? Is it like a folds out? Oh, it's shelves. Okay, I see. It's shelves, but the wicker's kind of rotten, like maybe it's been outside for a few years, but curiosity satisfied. I know what it is now. Whoa, that's a Nerf scooter. That's some kind of climbing, some straps. I don't think we need that. Some shoes that are pretty roached. But I saw down here. Those metal? Those are metal. Empty suitcase. He's got a bag on the front and everything. Little Tykes something or another. Not much metal on that. Probably gonna leave that. What kind of unit is that? entertainment TV cabinet thing. Yeah. Probably gonna pass on that. Let's see what we got over here. I see a rake. I see a nice rake too. There's another one of those tree trimmer things. I wonder if they go dull or something. I don't know. That's the second one we found in like 20 minutes. What's this thing? Some kind of edger for the flower bed. A bona. Yeah, we can scrap that. Well, that's one of those things to unclog your drain. Anything else? There's trash. Try to fit bag for 'em. Thank you. Some nice bowls. I don't know what that is, but we'll throw those bowls in. Somebody can use those. Dishes. World Market dishes. Oh, I saw a cord over there in this one. Forgot about that. There's a cord. It's not a cord, it's hangers. My favorite. No thanks. I don't want the hangers. Morning! Oh, it's not, it's a hose. Thought it was copper pipe.
That'd have been nice, right?
Yeah, that would have been the find of the day. Have a good one. All right, you moving in or moving out? What's going on here? Empty boxes means you're moving in. Okay. Enjoy your new home. register. That was plastic, but this was metal. Well, she pulled out, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up so I don't have to carry these as far. We're going to rearrange real quick here because I don't want to get my Papazon cushion stained. Alright, we got them loaded. The metal shelves. I didn't see anything of significance, but that's metal. Like a carpet strip, I would guess. Some crates. Boxes. Fragile. What's in the fragile box? Oh, that's a light. Yeah, it is. It's like a shop light. Yeah. Plastic's busted. I guess I can leave the plastic. Probably leave the box too, but I'm with that now. Any other lights in here? What's cooking here? That's a nice chair. That's a nice chair. Rugged cargo. Maybe it was a Burberry or something. I always need buckets. See anything good? Something electronic. Like a cable modem or something. Yeah. It's like an AT&T box. Bag of stuffies. Oh, this one. Yeah, that's pretty good find. Always love when you find tools. Ooh, there's a first aid kit full of sockets in the trash. I know, I should have my gloves on, I know. Take one more look. I found some tools, you never know. Be some more tools. Nope. That was a good find. Sockets. Morning. Couple big heavy TVs been sitting out in the rain. What's in this little jobby? Empty makeup container. Some dog food. Not the kind JJ likes. All right. Look at that. Looks like beach towels and clothes. We'll throw that in, you never know. Might be something good in there. Even if not, we can give it to the thrift. Looks like towels, clothes. We'll see. School buses, garbage trucks. Love morning picking. Dog in the front. Why is the dog in the front? Dogs are in the back. In the back. Let's go. Dog's in the back. You're not tall enough to ride in the front. Oh, you're gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna have to write. This is a write-up. You're getting a write-up.